What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a really exciting video for you today. This is kind of a out of the ordinary video. It's a blast from the past. This is a 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500 high country. It's all white with chrome accents. The truck looks great already. It's bone stock on bone stock wheels and tires. We are doing a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit that he's buying from us. He brought us some tires and wheels to put on this truck. It is a 24x14 American Force Provoke polished. It's like one of the nicest wheels you can get. It's that deep offset concave wheel with a deep lip on it. The tire he brought is a 375 40/24 Nitto Trail Grappler. This is a wide fat tire. This is the coolest size Nitto makes in this tire, if you asking me, in my opinion. So we're about to get started on it right now. I'm about to get out of the truck and show you what it looks like. Stay tuned for the process. Now, I know that like 99% of the trucks you see on my channel are 2020 and up GM and Chevrolet 2500 trucks. I have a few videos up of this body style. This is what I call the 11 to 19 body style. You can break it up into like 15 to 19 is a different headlight, but 11 to 19 is this body style, and then 2020 to present is the new body style. I haven't done one of this truck in a while. They're getting fewer and far in between that you see the truck. So when you see a nice clean one like this, it's really like, you know, it's time to do a video for sure. So we're gonna be doing the 9-inch McGaughys lift kit. So this truck's gonna be pretty tall, pretty wide. The 14 wide wheels from American Force have more offset than any other wheel company. They have a little bit more. It's like 10 or 12 millimeters more of negative offset on the wheel. So when it sticks out, it sticks out. And this lift kit, I believe, is one of those that has a wider spindle than factory. So it already widens the truck out, you know, a little bit anyways like that in the front. So we're doing the negative, I think it's maybe a negative 90 or something like that, offset American Force wheel with a 375 40/24 Trail Grappler on a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit. This truck is going to be really wide. We're going to have to do some modification on the bumper up here for sure. We're going to have to do some modification in the back there. I'm not exactly sure where those lines are going to be, but the truck is going to look phenomenal. I have nothing but trust for the guy that does the trimming up here, Leo. He's really, really good, has a very steady hand, and I've seen a lot of his work. Haven't seen any bad work from him, so stay tuned for the process. We're about to get it pulled in right now. It's really cold out here today, so it may take them all day or tomorrow too to get this one done. But I'm gonna film the process so you can see what it looks like when it's done. Thank you.
don't do it, it's two-wheel drive.
Well, we got our Silverado 2500 High Country ready to go. I couldn't be more excited about it. The truck looks way different than it did in the last clips, or the beginning clips rather. The 9-inch McGaughys lift kit, for some reason, it makes this body style look a little bigger to me. The tires and wheels are huge on it. The truck is wide. It looks really, really nice. I just drove it. It actually drives pretty good too. So I'm about to get out of the truck and show you what the finished product looks like. All right, so here's our truck, 2019 Silverado 2500 High Country. This truck looks amazing, it really does. Nice wide stance, big polished aluminum wheels. Can't go wrong with it. That McGaughys lift kit ties everything together in the front. Here's what it looks like. There's our cross member, looks really, really nice with the stainless steel accents. There's our axle angle set at the 9-inch mark, probably just a little bit above the 9-inch mark on this one because we needed the clearance. But everything still looks great with it. We did do the upper control arms on top right here. They come with this stainless steel accent on top, and then the ball joint caps are an add-on, but it really, really looks nice with those, so I always recommend doing those. Lift kit comes with the strut tensioner braces down here. There's our rear cross member, and there's the shock that comes with this kit from McGaughys. Got our block and U-bolt back here with our shock back there, and we did do the shims on top to match the ride height in the rear to make the truck sit pretty level. Overall, I think the truck turned out really, really, really nice. Let me know what you think about these in the this lift kit in the comments. The wheels and tires are really, really special on this one too. They're really expensive too. Also, American Force. This is the Provoke wheel with a new wheel. It's a polished aluminum finish forged wheel with a concave face to it. The tire is the 375/40/24 Nitto Trail Grappler. This is a 36/14/50 tire. They put you a little indicator right there. Super, super wide tire. Very, very good, high quality tire, smooth ride. They make this in a Nitto Trail Grappler or a Toyo MT. So I definitely recommend it. I'm gonna put a quote for what this one would cost after this clip, the full job. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. Thanks for watching.